Hi everyone. This is one of the important topic which we will be discussing today, which is LOD. If you are attending the Tableau interview, there will be definitely one question on this. This one and data blending. These two are considered to be quite a difficult topics in Tableau, but let's see, let's understand. I hope this is not that difficult. Let's understand what exactly is the level of detail. Okay. For that, let's connect to our data set, sample superstore. Now I have a small question. If you observe here, I'm selecting the sales and region. Okay. Now I want you to tell at what is the granularity of this report or this view. Can you guess? By now, I think you should be able to answer this question. Which column defines the granularity? Dimension. So it is region. This view at region level. So we can say region level sales. Okay. By default, all the calculation or aggregation happens at the level of detail defined in the view. What is that means? Whatever the dimension field you use to create the view or chart, that will define the level of detail of your chart. Okay. But in case if you want to perform a computation that is different from the level of details defined in the chart, then you go with the level of details calculation. Okay. Let me repeat. The chart whichever we have created is at the level of detail defined by the dimension field. That means whatever the values you are seeing, it is by the region level. Okay, this is central region sales, this is east sales, so south sales and west sales. This is at the region level. But in case if you want to perform a computation or calculation that is different from the level of details defined in the chart, then we go with the level of details in the Tableau. Tableau provides us three level of details calculations. The first one is fixed LOD. In short, this is called LOD, level of detail, and then include LOD, and then exclude LOD. In this video, we will concentrate only on the fixed LOD. In the next video, we will see what is that include and exclude. So now let's look at what is fixed LOD. Okay. For that, I will just create a calculation field. Instead of this bar chart, I will just take it as a text table so that it will be easy for us to understand. Okay. Now let's go and create the fixed LOD. Before that, I'll just define what exactly that fixed LOD is. Whatever the calculation you do, it will remain fixed at the LOD you specify in the formula. Like in this calculation, if you specify the say suppose region, whatever the dimension you use in the chart, it will remain, this calculation will remain at the region level. Okay. It will not get influenced by the any other dimension you use to build the chart. Okay. Let's see the example. I think then it will be easier for you to understand. Okay. I'll just name it as fixed LOD. Now, the syntax is the moment you start typing fixed, it shows up like this. Okay, and then if you want, it is here. Let me, okay, like this. Now if you want, like, this is the sample syntax which shows here. Now fixed, and then you have to specify the dimension, at what level of detail you want this chart. I want at the region level. Okay, and then give a colon, and then say what is that you want to calculate. Sum of sales. Okay, see, by default Tableau have added this open flower bracket, so don't forget to close this. Okay, now it is saying calculation is valid. Now click on apply. Now this one, central is at central value is this one, east value is this one, but let's take even this fixed LOD also to the chart. Both of them are same, it's not a different, so why are we even creating? Because the chart is at region level, that is the reason both the values are same. Now let's say, let's take state. Now look at the values. In the central region, Indiana is having 53,555 sales. But look at this fixed LOD. It is not at all caring whatever the dimension you use in your chart. It is saying whatever the dimension you used in while creating the fixed LOD, I'm using only that. I don't care any other dimension column you use to build the chart. I hope now it is clear, right? Again, it is split by the region and state, but the fixed LOD is fixed at the region level. Okay. Now let's see one more example, just to make you guys comfortable with the LODs. Now let's create calculation field. Uh, Sales by category will do. Okay, sales by category, and I want it to be fixed at the category level. Now what is that you want to use? Fixed, and what did I say? Fixed at the category level. What is that I want? I want sum of sales. Sum of sales. Why is it giving error? Let's see. Refer to undefined field sales. Okay, that was like, it was a small s, case sensitive. Now apply. Okay. Now I will just drag and drop. You should tell me what happens now. Okay, at what level of detail this chart is? Think of it. Is it category? Correct. Now, if I drag and drop subcategory, at what level of detail this chart is? Subcategory level. Okay. Like whatever the sales you're getting from category, it will be like partitioned into subcategory level sales. Now I want to drag and drop this fixed LOD into this. Now look at this. I hope now it is clear, right? If you add all this, it will be equal to this number because we are doing sales by category. If you want, let's remove this. Now you are getting the idea, I think. Okay. Fixed LOD. Now let's go back. Okay. This is what fixed LOD is. We will see one or two examples and one more example, then you will understand even further. But I think so far whatever we have discussed is clear, because this is the like compulsory interview questions. So you have to understand LOD at any cost. But now I think it is clear. Now one small assignment you have to do it. Okay, create a fixed LOD to show the sales at subcategory level. Okay, LOD to show the sales at the subcategory level. Okay, create it and explore this. So for whatever we have whatever we have discussed, create this chart and then try to understand even more. Okay, that's all for this video, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.